Welcome to this tutorial on how to add beneficiaries to Papaya Payments. Navigate to Beneficiaries. Click the Add a Beneficiary button from your dashboard. You can add a single beneficiary, add multiple beneficiaries in bulk, or invite the beneficiary by email to self-register. Let's see how single beneficiary works. First, choose the type of the beneficiary and the entity type. Next, choose the bank country of the beneficiary. According to the location, the form displays the required fields. Enter all the beneficiary's details and click Create Beneficiary. To add multiple beneficiaries, choose the details on the right side and download the template. Copy and paste the details of all beneficiaries you want to upload and upload the Excel file. Here is how to invite the beneficiary to Papaya Payments. Enter the beneficiary's first name, last name, and email address for individual invitations. You'll need a beneficiary ID. Either enter beneficiary's internal Papaya ID or let our system generate one automatically by checking the provided box. Click Send Invite to confirm. For multiple beneficiaries, use our bulk upload feature. Simply download our Excel template, which contains the same fields as the individual form. Fill in the information and upload it to send invites in bulk. Once an invite is sent, you can track the status. First, the status is invited. When your beneficiary registers, it changes to registered. Once bank details are added, it becomes active, meaning they can receive payments. For your existing beneficiaries, you can easily invite them to edit their bank details at any time. Simply select the beneficiary and click the Invite button. The beneficiary gets an email to register and to add his details. He opens the link and sets a password. After registration, he can enter his details and click on Save. As an administrator, you can enter bank details on behalf of any beneficiary. Select the beneficiary and use the Bank Details entry option. Beneficiaries can also log in and update their banking information themselves. Beneficiaries cannot modify their first and last names for security and KYC purposes. If you need any assistance during this process, don't hesitate to contact Papaya Global Support. Thank you for watching this tutorial.